Hello everyone. So today we'll check what is the current energy of your person towards you. It could be platonic, it could be a crush, it could be a person you are in relationship with. But the person we are talking about here, you feel that you two have a deep spiritual connection or deep friendship or deep union, something that can't be explained in words. It is not a passing connection. It is not something that you can explain easily to someone. It is a very deep and a very meaningful connection, and it is something that you have been trying to manifest for quite some time. It is only for those people who feel that this is not a surface level connection, something that comes and goes. Let's see their energy towards you. What I see is they are a self-made person. Someone, he or she, could be doing very well in their career and has applause and accolades. Someone who is very, very successful. Like you can see this person who is moving ahead in their life. And also this person might come off as someone who is very restrained. ये आपको आपकी तरफ बहुत फ्रीली नहीं आते होंगे. जैसे ये एम्परर अपनी थ्रोन पे बैठा हुआ है, उनके अंदर जो भी चल रहा है, दे हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंट्रोल ओवर व्हाट दे फील टुवर्ड्स यू. ये आपकी तरफ आना चाहते हैं. जैसे ये घोड़ा आगे बढ़ रहा है, दे डू वांट टू कम टुवर्ड्स यू, बट दे फील दैट वट एवर was between the two of you, it has ended. Like there are two people, if you can see, they are kneeling in front of the horse. उन्हें लगता है ये चीज़ एक बार के लिए ख़त्म हो चुकी है. Let's see. But they do have feelings for you, and it is a very slow connection. They'll come towards you, but they'll come towards you in a manner that is slow but very, very stable. Here we have the Page of Cups. They do have feelings for you. They do want to express. Although they saw that there was an end to it, that कुछ ख़त्म हो गया आपके बीच में, हम देखेंगे कि क्या ख़त्म हो गया था exactly. But they still have feelings for you. It could be love, it could be attraction, some kind of feelings they do have towards you. And when we get King of Pentacles, this person is most likely very, very established in their life, as well as you can sometimes get irritated because what they are doing towards you, it is very, very slow. Pentacles is a very slow energy. It will come very slowly towards you. Although ये person कितना मर्जी restraint दिखाए on the surface कि ये मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा या कर रही, but they are thinking about the ways in which they can talk to you, कि वो आपसे और क्या बात कर सकते हैं या how can they approach you. They are constantly thinking about it, even if they don't actually show it to you. बट ही और शी, वो आप एक दूसरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रिगर कर रहे हो. एंड हो सकता है जिस पर्सन के बारे में आप जान रहे हो, इस पर्सन को पास में बहुत ज़्यादा बिट्रेयल्स मिले हैं, किसी ने इनके साथ गलत किया है या इन्हें धोखा मिला है. वी गेट द मून एंड द 5 ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स. जैसे ये पर्सन पीछे देख रहा है एंड देयर आर स्वॉर्ड्स हियर, दिस पर्सन इज़ वेरी, वेरी कॉशियस कि कहीं आप इन्हें धोखा तो नहीं दोगे, बिकॉज ही और शी वॉज डिसीव्ड इन द पास्ट and you kind of trigger those memories. Although you could have nothing to do with what they are feeling, the feelings of deception, betrayal, but you bring them to the surface. But at the same time, they want to start something new. जैसे यहाँ leaves sprout हो रही हैं. They think and they know that you two could have something new with each other, like laying a stable foundation for a relationship, for a collaboration, for a partnership, or anything. Let's see their next action towards you. They want equal give and take. They don't want to be the only one जो इस particular friendship या इस particular connection में invest करे. We get the 6 of Pentacles. यहाँ पे दोनों person के बीच there is a healthy communication, a healthy give and take. There is a balance between these two, right? And they want that there should be collaboration between the two of you. It should not be like कि एक ही जना बात कर रहा है या एक ही जना सोच रहा है. दोनों बैठ के दोनों बात कर रहे हैं, and it's not like one person is chasing the other. They both equally show interest to each other in whatever capacity they can. And I think this person does talk to his friends or her friends about you. ये कितना मर्जी restraint show कर लें, but they are actually talking about you to other people, that they have feelings for you or they think about you in certain capacity. एंड जब भी आपकी तरफ आएंगे, he'll come in a group in the sense, जैसे ये आपकी तरफ 1-on-1 नहीं आएंगे. ये मोस्ट लाइकली तब आएंगे जैसे आप लोग ग्रुप में बात कर रहे हो एंड ही इनिशिएट्स टॉकिंग टू यू. बट वी गॉट द एस ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स ट्वाइस, सो he or she is definitely thinking about you. It's Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords. So he or she is definitely thinking about you, but currently this person is not in a very good headspace. He or she is sad about how the things have unfolded या इनके साथ जो past में हुआ, he or she is still grieving. Let's check how will this connection be in the next 1 week. This person is going to have options. He can be distracted, she can be distracted. Options, it could be other connections, other relationships, but what I can see is he or she has a lot of decisions to take. जैसे आप हो गए, जैसे आप उनका करियर हो गया, उनकी लाइफ में बाकी चॉइसेस हो गई, घर शिफ्ट करना है, करियर में कुछ करना है, या फाइनेंशियल कोई डिसीजंस लेने हैं, तो ये पर्सन थोड़ा ऑक्यूपाइड रहेंगे. बट इन द कमिंग टाइम ये अब इनके पास जो फीलिंग्स हैं आपके प्रति उससे एम्ब्रेस करेंगे. इट इज़ द क्वीन ऑफ कप्स. क्वीन ऑफ कप्स इज समवन who is who. This is not about the female, it could be male or female. It is just someone who embraces their feelings, who is in touch with their feelings, and they are going to think about you. They are going to think about what else they can do to actually come towards you. Let's see what is the guidance for you here. You are being asked to keep both the options open. ये ऑप्शन या फिर कोई और ऑप्शन अगर आपके पास है, you are being asked, आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं लाइफ में, and you are being asked to keep the options open and not make a decision just yet, and be in the Queen of Pentacles energy. Queen of Pentacles is someone जो बहुत अबेंडेंट होती है, जिसके पास सब कुछ होता है, जो किसी को चेज नहीं कर रही. सो यू आर बीइंग आस्क्ड टू नॉट चेज दिस पर्सन, बिकॉज sooner than later a connection will enter your life, which is the Two of Cups, which is a spiritual connection, a karmic connection. Let's see if it is this connection or it is some other connection that you will have. Well, it has not yet been decided whether ये वाला connection है या दूसरा है, but we'll get some confirmation. We are talking about this connection. This connection is a karmic connection, something that has been there for many lifetimes. So ये connection जो है ये सिर्फ इस lifetime का नहीं है, काफ़ी lifetimes से चलता आ रहा है. So you are being asked to actually just sit on your throne and live your life, go, you do you, and embrace your life and let this person come towards you. Yes, there has to be an equal give and take between the two of you, but you don't have to chase the other person. Thank you.